Guys and WhatsApp. Today I'm gonna to tell you some of the hidden features of your fingerprint scanner on your smartphone. Yes, any of your smartphone having the fingerprint sensor can do types of things with it. So without any let's get started.
You can do it with this fingerprint gesture app from the Play Store by Super Thomas Lab, and after installing this app you wanna to open it at first. This is a training, you will get it on your phone. After that you have to enable it, and there you can find three options: single tap, double tap and fast tap, that is swiping. If you have confusion with your tapping, you can show the demo one and it will show you on your screen. And for your security purpose, you can only allow those users which fingerprint are registered with your mobile. So here I am showing this demo. At first I am installing this app that I have shown you from the Play Store. After downloading it, now I am gonna to open it. Over there I am enabling this gesture, you can see in the screen. After that I am selecting which function I am going to operate with this tapping. For the single tap, I am going to select this home button. For the double tap, I am selecting some different option. Yes, many options you are getting here will not be accessible to you because it is basically for the rooted phone. But yes, you are getting much more than that. But yes, there are few also features that is for the 7.0 plus or 6.0 plus version of the Android. After doing this, we have to open this accessibility of your phone because it will show you message that we have to turn on the accessibility of this app. So after going to the accessibility, we have to turn on it. As you can see in the screen, I am turning on it. Yes, it's turned on, and you will see in the screen that fingerprint gesture is turned on. After that, you can do all the operations you want with your tapping on the fingerprint. So for the single click, we wanna get this power button menu over here. As you can see, yes, this power button menu comes. For the fast swiping, that we are getting the notification panel, and for the double tap we are getting this minimize recent app. This is all about this amazing app, and you can do it on your any of the smartphone. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for these wonderful videos in future.